How to fix Elden Ring Nightraign is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Now wait for this process to finish checking. And once this is done, you want to go back to the general tab, and under launch options you want to add -dx11 like this without any spaces. You can also try -d3d11 if the first one did not work or it keeps crashing. And then you can close out of Steam. Now you will need to open up your GPU app where you can download and install the latest updates. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU card, you can install NVIDIA app and go to the drivers section. From here, select Game Ready driver, check for updates, and download and install the latest available driver. And if you have a laptop or integrated GPU, you can open up your browser and search for your laptop models, for example, HP 15S, followed by driver, and then click on the first official HP website or manufacturer website. And from here, it will prompt you to select your operating system and the version, and it will basically give you all the available updates. And from there, you can get your graphics card update or integrated GPU update. And once you install them, you will also need to install the redistributables. You can search for redist in a new tab, click on the first link, and from here you want to select you want to scroll down to this second table and download the 86 version and install it, as well as the 64 version, both of these redistributables. And once you finish installing them, it will basically ask you to restart your computer. So after restarting your computer, you will need to run Steam as admin before opening the game again. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can proceed to launch the Elden Ring game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.